Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, and today in this video we'll give you the actual view of Rohan Upavan project, which is located on Hennur Main Road, Bangalore. So we are on the connecting road, and here is the view of main entrance of the project. The project is spread over 4.50 acres of land and offers 1, 2 and 3 BHK residential apartments. It consists of 13 number of towers with 20 floors each, and total comprises of 1000 number of units. Now here is the view of project site. And now we'll give you the interior view of a 1 BHK sample flat. And we have entered into the living room. Here is the kitchen area, the modular kitchen with separate utility area. And now we have entered into the bedroom. So friends, it's a spacious bedroom. Over there you can see the wardrobe. Here is the dressing area. And just next to this bedroom, here is the washroom. This we are giving you the view of balcony area, an attached balcony with the living room. So next we are giving you the interior view of a 2 BHK sample flat. So here is the living room. Over here you can see the dining area. And here comes the modular kitchen. This we have the wide balcony attached with the living room. And outside there you can see the green area. So it's a beautiful apartment, skillfully designed. Now here you can see the separate utility area. Attached with the kitchen. Now moving next, we have entered into the bedroom area. Here is the wardrobe. And this we have an attached washroom with this bedroom. So here we have entered into the second bedroom of this flat. Again you can see the room is skillfully designed. and it's having an attached washroom with modern fittings and fantastic interior work. Here you can see the study area. Now moving next, here we'll give you the interior view of a 3 BHK sample flat. And this we have entered into the living room. The spacious living room with an attached balcony. Here is the bedroom area. And it's an attached washroom with this bedroom. And here you can see the modular kitchen. And this we have the dining hall. And now we'll give you the view of balcony. So it's a wide balcony attached with the living room. Now here comes the second bedroom of this flat. Here you can see the wardrobe section. And this is the washroom. And now we have entered into the third bedroom of this flat. Beautifully designed, which is also having an attached washroom and study area. So thank you friends for watching this video. For more fresh real estate updates, kindly subscribe to our channel, and for site visit enquiries, you can call us at the given number. Thank you.